Hi, everybody. It's Dawn Hargrove Avery from NCA, and I just want to take a few minutes, 10, maybe 15, and walk you through our new website, along with how to access our new communication platform, MyNCA. So first of all, we have a new website. You're in control of your own member login information. You should have received an email um, giving you access. If you did not, just let us know. We'll get another one out to you. If by chance the email address that we have on file is not the one you're currently using, let us know so we can update that so that you can get into the website. So let's get started through the website. So here's the National Cleaners Association website. All your general information, anything, any updates, things we've got going on will be here on the home page. And the About Us page is what it says. It's about NCA and what we do. Under the membership section, you'll see why you should join, what the member benefits are, what the platinum member benefits are, and some information about the employee healthcare plan that we offer. So if you're looking for health insurance for your employees or yourself, feel free to check that out. We also have a website for the NCA Employee Benefit Program, but this is just some general information. Under the event section of the website, we have all of our upcoming events, whether they're in person, online, webinars, training, trade shows, whatever we're doing is going to be listed here. You can register right online. If there's a fee, you can pay that right online. Everything has been moved to online. Under the news tab is information that we typically we send it out in our emails. Sometimes it's not in our emails and it's just something that we noticed that you might want to read about. Under the Join Us tab is a subscribe link to subscribe to our emails. So if you're not receiving our emails, please resubscribe or subscribe for your first time to get the emails, because we've got a lot of new stuff going on. Under the contact, it's just our general contact information. And one more thing on this event page, if you wanted to switch to calendar view, you can see like in a calendar view as opposed to a list view. So now let's get to the fun stuff. Let's log into our membership site. So I'm using a login as a platinum member. So I'm at the Platinum Member Lounge. You can click any of these links down here to get where you want to go, or you can scroll up to the top and use the drop down. Platinum Management and Forms. It has anything you need to manage your dry cleaners. We've always had this on the site. We've just kind of switched up where things are located a little bit. The personnel management, job descriptions, we have in a few places to make it easier for you to access, just because we know how hard it is right now to get employees and find employees. So if you're running ads or whatever, you might want to take a look at those. We've got all your regulatory information. We've got the U.S. Department of Labor worksite poster link where you can go and get the posters. We have a safety sign builder, the DEC forms, a bunch of New Jersey forms, employee handbook, garment analysis. Currently, with the garment analysis, you can either fill out the form, mail it in, we'll look at it, get it back to you with a report. Some items we're able to analyze from a picture. So it's a good idea to reach out to Ann or Alan and see if that's possible, just to avoid the mailing. Some things we do have to see in person, so it just depends on what it is. But again, you could download the garment analysis form here. You could search the FTC website for our ends numbers. We have a claim form. We have care label information there. So we have that. Then we have a new human resource and section here. So again, we've put the job descriptions here, a lot of the same information, but we do have an employee handbook. And I don't know how many of you know that we have it. So for Platinum members, the employee handbook is free to download. We do take you to a form to download it because we're trying to keep track of how many people have it. We have one that's for all states, and then we have one for New York only because New York has more regulations. We also have the availability of an employee manual and orientation book, where if you haven't had that, you might want to look at this and it'll give you ideas on how to create your own, or you can use this as a template and just fill in the blanks. Some stuff on paid leave, some of the mandatory trainings that we offer. We have a marketing toolkit, which is kind of cool. Now, we've always offered photos for you to download and use for your own marketing campaigns. However, probably the past 4 or 5 years, we've really updated the images. So feel free to check that out. And if you can't access something, just let me know and I'll get it over to you. We also implemented social media posts. We have Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business Profile posts. So, and the reason for all three is the different sizes. So Google's a different size on Instagram, which is a different size on Facebook. Sometimes you can use the Instagram and the Facebooks together. You'd like the same size on both, but we've created them for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business Profile. We've also, each month we add like things you can talk about or words you could use or links to other websites to give information about whatever the topic is. Because we do understand that sometimes it's hard to come up with what you want to say. So feel free to come in here and grab these. We have updated some of the hang tags. We have all the hang tags available, but there are some that have been updated. Again, all you do is you click the link, it opens in a separate page, you can download it and send it to your printer. Same thing with our postcards. We have some new ones, we have some of the originals, and then down here you'll see, we've been uploading these for the past, since February. So these are some of the posts that we use. So maybe next year in May, you don't know what to use, and we'll have new ones posted, but you may want to go back and use something that you didn't use from the previous year. And then on our garment alert page, this is where all of our garment alerts are listed by alphabetical order. We also included them in picture format. So if you want to, if you need to show your cleaner or you need to show a customer what we said in picture format, it's right here. As they come in, we're creating little flip books, probably organized by, quarterly, that you'll be able to flip through and see if you missed anything. So now I'm going to go over to MyNCA, which is our communication platform that we created because we got pushback on our Facebook group. A lot of people didn't want to be on Facebook, so they couldn't be in our group because they didn't want to be on Facebook. So we devised a plan to have our own Facebook-like area. So again, let me go back here. If you click the MyNCA icon when you're logged in using your credentials, those same credentials will get you into our platform. All you have to do is click the icon, you'll automatically be logged in. Because of the level I'm logged in at right now, I see everything, but let me just kind of take you over some of the main groups over here. The All Dry Cleaners group is everybody, anybody in the industry, member or not member. They can come into that group and have conversations and talk about problems or whatever it is that they have going on. And whatever you have going on, and you can answer their questions. That's the All Dry Cleaner group. Then we have a group called All NCA members. So that will be Platinum members, regular members, healthcare members, allied trade members. Everybody that's a member will be in that group. Platinum members have their own group. Allied trade members have their own group. If you're a member of the Green Cleaner Council, you have a group This is where you'll come to download new marketing material, maybe grab articles that you can use on your website or your social about being green. That's what you'll find there. In the news are just little snippets of things that we find that we feel might be useful to you, regarding the recession or diversification or new trends or fashion trends, things that we feel that are important to you as a dry cleaner. The NCA Coats for Kids page is there for our golf outing and our fundraising to gather coats for kids in different areas of the country. Any updates there, on that subject will be in that section. The NCA Dry Cleaner technical reports. This section is where all of Alan's articles are going to be posted as they're written or as he gives them to me. They will be posted in here. So if you've got a question on boilers, if you've got a question on processing things, if you've got questions on distilling, if you've got whatever questions you have might be here. The answer might be here in an article that Alan has written. And that'll keep filling up over time. Under the resource tab, we try to make them in PDF format as well so that you can download them because you might need them more than once. If you're an NCA employee benefit plan person, you can access your information here about the plan. If you have any questions about the plan, this is, everyone's in here so you can ask questions and it'll be answered. Let me go back home because I'm just clicking around like crazy. So under the NCA training section, I want to kind of show you this section. A lot of our training will be in this area. So what we have is, we post the updated schedules so you know what's going on. You can also see that on our event page on the website. If you click the resource tab, you'll see folders: customer service training, dry cleaning training, the HEROES Act, mandatory harassment training, which is the sexual harassment training, New York State sexual harassment training, OSHA training, technical training. If you click on, let me just kind of take you through. You want OSHA training, so you go to OSHA training. Under the resource tab and the folder OSHA training, you'll see the documentation that you need. So this is all the documents you would need to download. You will see the video in English, the video in Spanish, and the SDS sheets that you might need to have on your premises. Under the English video is also a train the trainer video. So if you're going to teach the class and run the video for them to see, but you're going to talk about it, you might want to watch that. And that's how the training on the MyNCA platform is going to work. Same thing with the harassment training. So there's items that you need to print and keep on location. Those are under that folder. Sorry, clicked one too many times. Then we've got the question and answer sheet for cleaners. We've got the Spanish training. We've got the English training and any downloadables that you need. So that's all under the resource section in the NCA training section. Utilizing this platform, we are going to be able to, with our community business partners and our allied trades, we're going to be able to host live events. You can have meetings with equipment people or chemical people or marketing people, insurance people. In the coming months, we'll let you know as that progresses. So let me stop sharing my screen. Go back here. And I just want to say that we're pretty excited about having our new website and our new platform. We've got a lot of new things rolling out. So please, visit the website, log in. If you're having trouble logging in, do not hesitate to give Ann or myself a call. We'll get you into the website. If you don't really know exactly how to access MyNCA or what you want to do with it, just give us a call. We'll check you through it. Just make sure we have your current email address because that makes it really easy. Also through the website, we are going to move through a pay system online so that you can pay your bill online instead of calling us or mailing a check, although you could do that too. And then November or December, the online store will be open so you can order whatever you need. If it's a webinar you need, or if it's some forms or some printing, that'll be available to you. So just, let's keep in touch. Get on the website if you have any problems. Do not hesitate to let us know, and we'll give you a hand and get you going. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.